name is Jacob.
And I'm Amy.
And today we'll be informing you on how to install the ACG PC Tool on your Windows PC. Before we start, you'll need to unplug any unnecessary USBs from your PC, as this could cause issues. First, you'll need to install the ACG software from the ACG page on our website, link in the description below. This is a zip file that will need to be extracted. To do this, simply create a new folder and drag the contents of the zip file into the new folder.
If you do not already have it, you will need to download the Windows Mobile Device Center. This can be found in this ACG software file. Once the installation is complete, you can now install the PC tool. Find the setup file in the ACG software file. Double click. This will open ACG Installer Wizard.
Click Next in the bottom right corner. When it asks you if you want to install this program for yourself or for everyone using the computer, click for everyone and keep clicking Next until the installation begins. After the tool has been installed, you can close the wizard.
You should now be able to find the ACG software in the Windows Start menu. There may be a small delay as the tool finds the correct device. It's important to note that the software uses Microsoft ActiveSync to communicate with the ACG. This means that all other devices that use ActiveSync need to be disconnected from the PC.
Only one ACG should be connected to the computer at any time. To connect the ACG to the computer, unscrew the 4 screws on the front face of the ACG. Open up the door, and on the back you should find the display port. On the back of the display, there should be a USB port labelled PC. Using the USB connector you received with your ACG, connect your computer to the ACG. Then power on the ACG.
The PC will recognise the device connected to it. If it's the first time you're connecting your ACG, you may need to install the drivers. Once this installation is complete, it'll open up the Windows Device Center, which can be immediately closed.
If it is not already running, open up the ACG software. The device will be automatically recognised by the software and the settings will be displayed. You have now successfully installed the ACG software.
Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been useful to you.
For any more useful information, additional links and any extra FAQs, check the link in the description below.
Please don't hesitate to contact customer support for any other information or any other issues that you have. I'm really trying.
Do you want us to start?
Yeah.
I can't say ActiveSync. Completely forgot.